Meaning of inconstant.
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 Inconstant. The word inconstant refers to something or someone that is variable or inconsistent. It suggests that the thing or person in question changes frequently, lacking stability or reliability. Inconstant behavior can be hard to predict and may lead to challenges or difficulties in relationships or other areas of life. Being inconstant can cause mistrust and uncertainty and may result in missed opportunities due to indecisiveness or wavering commitment. Overall, inconstancy is often seen as a negative characteristic, as it can create confusion and instability in personal and professional settings.